Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and this is Lucius. Today we'll be making Ayamase sauce. As you can see, I've already displayed all of my ingredients, starting from my offals, that's my assorted meat. This is the towel, I had to soak it with hot water. Green tomatoes and all, they are gradually getting ripe, but we have to make do with it that way. And over here is my cow skin, popularly known as pomo. And this is my seasoning, my oil. I'll be using banga oil for this, my salt. Then I'll also be using this bonga fish, to spice it up. Then onion, a little bit of ginger and garlic, then crayfish, and of course our star ingredient, locust beans, known as iru in the western part of Nigeria. Do you know green tomato helps in building muscle? For my guys that like to get their muscle so big, you go to the gym every day, you carry weight, then when you get to your house, you eat 3 bowls of eba, our green scotch pepper. This is known as atarodo among the Yorubas. And the nutritional value for this green bell pepper is that it improves eye vision. It's also good for diabetic people and all kinds of heart. For your assorted, you need to wash up to 6 to 7 times on a running tap, running water, in order to get rid of all of the dirt. I keep specifying to get rid of all of the dirt because it contains lots and lots of dirt, especially sand and excrete in the intestine and all of that. So you have to be thorough. Skin is very, very rich in energy. It's also very rich in protein, rich in fats, provide the body with enough carbohydrates, especially fiber. Place your offals and your cow skin into the cooking pot. Then we have to spice this up. We need to spice it well for taste. This is like 1.5 spoons. My salt for taste. Not so much, just drop. Alright, I'll be going in with my blended Cameroon pepper. This pepper is very, very hot, so I'll just go in with, let's say, half. Put some water. You take it to your cooking gas. Allow it to boil for 10 to 15 minutes. So the offals can marinate well and get soft. So this is my pepper mix, and I'm going to blend it. You don't need to blend it smooth. So I'm using my rough blender instead of the smooth blender. When I'm preparing my bonga fish, I do not waste this head. You see this head and this tail, even the shells from this skin. What I do is I keep it. Then whenever I'm making my village rice, my native rice, I blend this smoothly. I blend it very smoothly and I use it to make it. To prepare is our crayfish. I'll be using my manual blender for this because I don't want it to be so smooth. I have to taste to know if I'm adding any other things in it. Fantastic. Allow this to cook for extra 10 minutes. Make sure the offal gets very soft. While this is still boiling, let's talk about the origin of Ayamase sauce. Ayamase sauce is mostly eaten among the Jebus in the western part of Nigeria, and the originator's name is Mrs. Felicia Adeshino, and she was born in Remo in Ogun State in 1924. Her name is, or rather was, because she's no more, was Mrs. Adeshino. but popularly known as Ayamase. The name Ayamase means wife of don't do. She came about this name through, now her husband is this kind of a man that he does not tolerate nonsense. Whenever he feels you want to ride on him, he just lashes back at you and tell you, no, I know what you're about to do, you can't do this to me. And at the process of exchanging words with the person, he will try to raise up, like he's quick to anger. You can say he's quick to anger. And then the passerbys will tell him, Mashe, Mashe, Mashe. That's in Yoruba. Mashe means don't do it, like don't hit him. Known for always wanting to hit someone. And then the passerbys will always say, don't hit him, don't hit him. So with that trend people know him with, they just started calling him Mashe, 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 don't do it. So now, Aya in Yoruba means wife. Now the name of Mrs. Adeshina turned to Ayamase, meaning the wife of Mashe. Do you get it now? Ayamase is also known as Obe Ayamase, meaning stew of Ayamase. The English name for it is designer stew. Another name for it is Obedudu, meaning black stew. Alright, so she died in 2013, leaving us with the wonderful invention of Ayamase sauce. Cooking our offals after 15 minutes. This is 15 minutes cooking and it's ready. Yeah, it's ready. I'm taking this off the fire. Here's my pot, is already on fire, and I'll be going in with the oil first. Yeah, this is enough. I'll allow this oil to bleach. Reduce your gas. You have to reduce your gas very well. When you reduce it, you leave it, or rather you cover it. I like to cover it and allow it to heat in a very low heat. Allow it to bleach. Just give it like, let's say 10 minutes. Yeah, 10 minutes. Just leave it. This is 10 minutes on a dot, and I think our red oil is properly bleached. So I have to take this outside. Alright, this is our oil. As you can see, it has turned from red to semi-granose oil. I won't be using all of it, just half. Allow it to fry for a bit with my onion. Get this ready to go in. Oh my god, that's one thing I love about because the aroma it gives it's so wonderful. Now I'll be going in with my blender. Cover to cook for extra 10 minutes. With my spices. Then my bongo fish. Going with my offals. Almost ready. Test for adjustments. Here I'll be adding just a little bit of seasoning, and then I'll also add a little bit of salt and leave to boil for extra 3 minutes. Final ingredients. I'll be going in with my boiled egg. At this point, alright, here is your Ayamase. Look how yummy and greeny this is. Now you can put off your lights, dish your food, and enjoy your meal. So this is the almighty Ofada rice. This is actually a fermented rice. So we have to prepare it, take off the chaffs, wash it with cold water, hot water. You just have to wash this thoroughly to get all of the dirt out. Did you notice as I'm washing it, the water is becoming clearer, meaning the dirt is gradually going off. But I still need to wash it more. Soaking it in hot water for about 4 to 5 minutes. Allow it to absorb well. The water for the Ofada rice has boiled, so I'll just go in with the rice. After that, I'll be adding half tablespoon of salt for taste. Then you cover it up. Allow it to boil till tender. The leaf we'll be using to serve our Ofada rice and Ayamase sauce. You know, there is no Ayamase sauce and Ofada rice without this leaf. If you really want to get that typical taste, that local taste of Ayamase sauce and Ofada rice, you need to dish it on this leaf. Trust me. When you dish it on a plate, you won't get that taste. Let me just wash this. Get it ready. We are about to dish our meal. Okay, get this ready. Here is our Ayamase sauce and Ofada. Yay! So this is a moment of truth. I'm going to taste this to know how it tastes. All right. Okay. You can never go wrong with Ayamase sauce. Like even in your home, if you can follow the process I made this like step by step, you're going to get a fantastic outcome, just like this one. Alright, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Lucious Delicacies Kitchen, and turn on your notifications for more yummy videos. Bye!